Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use OpenAI Codex inside Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Look at the left menu and click on the Extensions icon. In the search bar at the top, type CodeGPT. You will see the extension called CodeGPT in the results. Click on it and then click on the Install button. Wait a few seconds until the installation is complete. Once it is installed, the extension will be available in your editor. Now we need to connect it to the OpenAI API. For that, we need an API key from OpenAI. Open your web browser and go to platform.openai.com. Log in with your account. Once you are logged in, look at the left menu and search for API keys and click on it. On the right side, you will see a button that says Create New Secret Key. Click on this button and a new key will be generated for you. Copy this key and keep it somewhere safe. Remember that you will not be able to see it again once you close the window, so make sure you copy it correctly. Now go back to Visual Studio Code. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P if you are on a Mac. In the search box, type CodeGPT and you will see the option to set your API key. Click on it and paste the key you copied from the OpenAI platform. Press Enter to save it. The extension is now connected to OpenAI Codex. You can now create a new file in any programming language. Write a comment describing the code you want and then trigger the extension. Thanks for watching.